Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the new LG K92 5G makes next generation network and more accessibility. Just a year ago, getting 5G ready phone meant you had to shell around $1,000, but since then we have seen an abundance of more affordable smartphone that support the latest network standard, and the LG K92 5G is the latest one. It's powered by the Snapdragon 790 chipset and work with a SIP 6 5G network. Only more importantly, the phone will be available soon in the US at just a starting price $400. The K92 feature a large 6.7-inch IPS LCD with a FHD plus resolution and a punch hole cutout for the 16 megapixel selfie camera. We have a fingerprint scanner on the right hand side and the power and volume button over to the left side. The back comes with interesting camera design with f1.78 aperture, 64 megapixel main shooter, next generation, 5 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel module for macro shoot and deep data. All four sensors sit fluish with a body and are flanked by a quad LED flash setup. Under the hood we have a aforementioned Snapdragon 790 paired with a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes, which is further expandable via micro SD card. The battery come in 4000 mAh and charge over USB Type C. The phone is also MILSTD, a 10G compiled and boost 3.5mm headphone jack. The LG K92 5G will premiere on November 6 in AT&T for $395. It also comes in a Cricket for $359, while the US cellular user will have to wait until November 19 to scope up at LG K92 for $350. So this is the latest 5G LG K92, another cheap 5G smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this smartphone, and make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.